Hi, welcome to Party Pointers, a Shakey's Pizza video series where we help busy folks plan the perfect party at Shakey's. I'm Jenny, one of Shakey's party planning experts,
and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make flower-decorated numbers for a 10th birthday party. Today, I'm going to be using different colors of cardstock, a ruler, a pair of scissors, a hot glue gun, a pencil, 2 large pieces of cardboard, yellow or any brightly colored tissue paper. First, let's create the petals. I'm using a ruler and scissors to cut a strip the length of the cardstock and 2 inches wide. You can make yours as thick as you like depending on how large you want your flowers to be. Now fold the cardstock in half. Make a cut into the long edge. It should be about 1.5 inches deep. These are our first petals. Keep making cuts on the long side of the paper until you reach the fold. You should have dozens of petals by the end. I like to make little diagonal cuts on the top to give the petals a more natural shape. Now we're going to make the flower bud. I like using a different color of stock paper for contrast. Measure 3/4 of an inch from the top of the paper and cut out a strip. Roll it as tightly as you can. Then use your glue gun to secure it. Dab a little glue onto the outside of your flower bud. Now, wrap the petals tightly around it. Make sure to hold the bud in place using your thumb and pointer finger. Glue it shut so it doesn't unravel. Open the flower petals by gently curling them around your pencil. Ta-da! You've got your first flower. Repeat this step until you have as many as you need to cover the numbers. Next, I'm going to cut out a 1 and a 0 from the 2 big pieces of cardboard. Wrap and hot glue the tissue paper onto the numbers until the cardboard is completely covered. And finally, the best part, gluing on each flower one by one until the tissue paper is covered. And voila, there you go! Hey everybody, check out more DIY videos on the Shakey's Party Pointers playlist and subscribe to see what theme parties I'll be helping to throw next month.